Noise, noise and noise. If you just put your ear correctly, you'll see always background noise. It's everywhere. It's in your friend circle, it's in your colleagues circle, it's there in your relatives, it's there in your parents, and everywhere. Every time, everywhere is there to judge you and tell you that you're going to fail. This world is a tough place. It's always going to tell you that you are going to fail. And if you think like you are going to fail, and if you think like you are demoralized by these people and their thought, their painful, hurtful remarks that you will fail, then watch this video, because I am going to share a very short, simple story that can change your view about the background noise. So there was a time, few frogs in a very rainy season tried to pass a muddy road, and in front of them there is a hole, and few of the frogs saw the hole, so they diverted, but few accidentally, due to the slippiness of the mud, fell in that hole. 3 frogs fell in that hole, and rest of the other frogs who passed through that area, they surround the hole and start to look what happened to these frogs. Those 3 frogs, they're trying their best to reach to the top of the hole so that they can get out of the hole, and there is raining, there is thunderstorm, everybody is shouting, all the other frogs surrounding them shouting and saying, no, it's not going to be possible for you, it's very deep hole, you cannot get out of it. So thinking of that, one of the 3 frogs already lost its balance and thought, yes, it's really true, I never crawled out this much big of a hole, so I cannot go down. So the frog simply slipped down to the bottom of the hole, and we don't know anything about it anywhere. Now 2 of the frogs still trying their best to get to the top of the soil, but again the rest of the frogs surrounding them, they are continuously saying, see what happened to the other frog, it ultimately eventually fall, right? So you will eventually fall too. It's simply wastage of time, it's simply wastage of your energy. I don't know why you are trying, because you are going to fail. We don't know that. So they all hail for their failure. They're always telling you are going to fail. Both of the frogs are still trying their best to get up. And then there's a second frog. After trying for 30 minutes, that frog gave up and slowly again slipped down at the bottom of the hole. And now there is only 1 frog left. And still all the other frogs are shouting, come on, see, both of them are down. How can you come up? Even we cannot help you. We don't have any resource to help you out here. We are going to go home. You are going to die alone here. You cannot do anything. But despite of their negative remarks, despite of their negative comments, this 1 frog is trying its best. It's trying all the way and it's trying to jump. And it's becoming really tough for him, because the moment he tries to jump, the mud comes in again. It's becoming slippery. Now, after trying for 1 hour, this frog almost thought of leaving, but again somehow something is helping this frog, something is telling this frog to go up, and you can do it, and this frog tried, and finally with all the energy the frog had, it jumped out of the hole to the ground. And now everybody was shocked, and they're astonished. They say, how did you do that? Even after saying so much negative things from all these, how did you manage to come up? What is your secret? What is your success? And this frog said, I can't hear anything. I am deaf. I thought you guys are encouraging me. All your shout, all your expressions thought like encouragement to me. So think of this idea. All these people out there looking at you, telling you what to do, what not to do, pushing their toe in your head. All you need to do is one thing: ignore this and think of all this as an encouragement. Think of all this as a noise, the noise that keeps you grow and keeps you grow up and up until you reach your success.